Oh shit!
Total snow and
Oh,
up to 3 inches, up to 1/4 of an
oh
inch,
shit!
up to 6 inches of snow.
All right.
The areas affected include in Maryland, extreme western Allegheny and Garrett County, in West Virginia, western West, western Mineral, and western Henderson counties. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from 7 a.m. Sunday to 7 a.m. Monday. Impacts, roads, and especially bridges and overpasses will likely become slick and hazardous. Plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the Monday morning commute. The combination of snow and ice will result in power outages. Additional details. The period of snow and sleet is likely from Sunday morning through Sunday afternoon, transitioning to a period of freezing rain by Sunday afternoon.
Wow.
Freezing rain or drizzle may persist through early Monday morning. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. Persons should consider delaying all travel. Motorists should use extreme caution if travel is absolutely necessary. The Northern Virginia mountain forecast for
Wow. I have not caught a winter storm warning in a while, and that just woke me up.